Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, MultiTasking India. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the new feature of YouTube that is MLA, which means multi audio, multi-language audio. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So, YouTube has recently launched this feature of multi-language audio, and in this feature the best part is that if you want to like if you want to search any video, if you want to look over the any video and you want to uh, have a different language, for example an Arabic, English, Spanish, Russian, or any other languages, then you can select those language for that particular video. I'll give you an example of a channel named Mr. Beast. Whenever you go to that channel, just click on any video of Mr. Beast and click on the setting icon, which will be on the YouTube right hand side corner. Okay, and after that you will get an audio option, audio selection, and there you will get different languages, and in different languages you can listen their video, you can see their videos, you can hear that voice in different languages. So this channel is full on like in totally English, but you can use in different languages. So YouTube has recently launched this feature, but right now this is not available for everyone, like in every country. They are working on it, but yeah, in some countries it is available, in some channels it is available. So I found this channel, Mr. Beast, and I think that it's a very good new feature, and I like it because if you know any other languages and you want to see that video on like any other languages, then you can uh, select in your own way, and you can listen those videos in your other languages. So it's a very good option, and you can also get a lot of views, and you can hike your views, you can enhance your views on your videos if you get this feature. And this is the best part, and this is the best update from the YouTube that I liked it very much. And hopefully I am just hoping uh, when YouTube will give this feature to every YouTubers or creators. So I am going to show you practically how you can check the audio languages in Mr. Beast channel. Okay, so let's get into the Mr. Beast channel. So here I'm going on my YouTube account, and this I have already searched this Mr. Beast channel. So when you go to this channel, just select any video you want, and after that this advertisement will come.
Listen to over 90 million songs ad-free and over 15 million podcast episodes with Amazon Prime Music. Download now.
I built two massive cubes. And then on the top right corner, see, you can just check out the settings icon. Click on that and see the second last option. You will get the audio track. It's in English. So if I change it into Hindi, so it will change to Hindi language. If I change to other language, like for example I use Russian language, so it uses the Russian language. So like that you can like select any kind of languages you want. They are working on other languages too, other more languages, but it will be updating very soon, and this feature will be most probably available to all YouTube creators. So stay tuned with the YouTube team me, and also you can go through the Beast channel, and you can also self checkout. Okay, right now, I just want to give this in a little bit information, feedback for this feature, and this about the new feature. So if you think that this video is very informative for you, and if you like it, then like and share it. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell notification icon with all buttons, so that you cannot miss any kind of content from my end. Okay, so stay tuned with me, and thank you so much, and have a great day.